you can see here, somebody had the same idea that I have. Started stacking up some rocks to make a shelter for their tent. All right, I got a tarp here. I'm gonna lay it out to kind of get the dimensions of my shelter. All right, I think I got my dimensions figured out. Time to get to work. Gravity just pulls the untreated water through the filter right here, fills up my water bottle. Now I'll tell you what, it's cold. My fingers are a little bit numb. Nice little rainbow. It's a little small, but I hooked him kind of bad, so I think I better keep him and eat him. All right, I made up a batch of couscous and craisins. Got a little bit of rosemary and basil and salt in there.